everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply disable a chat in Zoom. So I'm going to start the meeting now, and I will start it. My voice is going to change now. So now here you want to click on participants, well, no participants, more, chat, and the first thing you want to do is like you can mute notification. So, but when you can't mute notification, what you want to do is click more, meeting settings, and here you're gonna see allow participants to chat with no one, or you can like change it to host only or everyone publicly or everyone. When you want to disable the whole chat, just press no one, and no one will be able to chat with anyone here. So this is how we can do it in Zoom application on mobile. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.